Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Here after a pretty tough day for me. Took a couple of losing trades, one winner. I'm not really annoyed at my trades per se today, but the feels for all of my trading today, which is awful. So when I lost a lot more than I should have, according to where my stop was at least. And when I won, same thing, made a lot less. You can see here the follower accounts for my New York morning trade. I made 180 on the leader account, and then the follower accounts made $40 less. Trading 5 micros, that's a pretty big difference. Um, it's pretty terrible copying there, but it's not something I can control, so I just have to leave that alone. In terms of my trades today, so in the morning, in the morning session for New York, I took a sell. It was a good trade. We'd essentially been topping out here, and we had this nice induction candle followed by engulfment. So I took the sell here, and it was quickly filled. Well, in about 15 minutes, 10 minutes, it took. This candle here was a very strong candle, and it's where I got the poor fill for my winning trade. Um, Obviously, because it was moving so quickly, probably the follower accounts couldn't close in time, so it probably bounced a little bit, and then yeah, it just gave me a much worse profit there. And in terms of my evening trade, we were holding VWAP, which is sitting around here, so we'd bounce off it a bit and look for a long with a 125 tick stop here. Initially, it looked fairly good. Was up around 20 points, but once we swept this swing high and didn't close above it, we just double topped out of it and then just sunk a bit lower. Trade was fine. It wasn't. It was a difficult trade. It was a little bit more of a risky trade, but I've seen these work out enough times to take this trade, so I'm not unhappy about the trade that I took. I am unhappy that the fill was so poor, but like I said, can't control that. In terms of my Bullinox account, had a losing trade with that one as well. Just took a double top in London. Looked like a double top there at the high of day. Um, just looking for a bit of a pullback into perhaps these fair value gaps, but didn't work out in the end, and down $187. Nothing major, that's fine. But these accounts are just doing very poorly. They did well last month in the early to mid stages of the previous month in December, but since then it's just gone pretty downhill since then. So hopefully I can get these back to something approaching. I don't know, just something that looks okay to me without the small drawdown that it's currently got, or declining drawdown. It's got around 1,800, something like that, still left. One thing I didn't note with my Apex accounts, I've got one 25k account, so a $365 loss with that one is pretty painful. I don't have a lot of room to work with that one now, so that one's just going to be. It might be a bit tight whether that survives. I knew that it could be. It could be one of those ones. It was a risky one. It was a risky decision to get a 25k. It would either help me get a payout quickly or just stop me out, or just get closed fairly early, given my trading style and how much risk I use. It's not. I wasn't sure that it would last, and it doesn't seem like it's not. It's not going badly, but it doesn't have a lot of room left. It doesn't have a lot of wiggle room left. But yeah, that's all for me today. Fairly bad day overall, but hopefully I can bring it back tomorrow. But yeah, hope you've had a good day, and I will catch you tomorrow. Bye.